In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the browsing data on Instagram. The process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to open up Instagram right now, and to clear the browsing data, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you'll see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. You want to tap on those and then tap on the first option, which is settings. From here, we want to look for the option that says account. So it is right over there. Tap on account, and then you want to look near the middle of the screen. It says browser settings right over there. Tap on that. And then the first option there is browsing data. Clear your cookies and cache from the websites you visited while using Instagram. So simply tap on this clear button right over there on the right hand side. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to clear the browsing data? Just tap on clear browsing data in red. And just like that, the browsing data has now been cleared. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.